forget which picture. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign.
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
Hey babe, I'm going into the gas station. Did you want something to eat or drink?
I can probably use another Red Bull.
Red Bull? Okay.
God damn. Jesus fuck.
What flavor Red Bull did you want?
Just a regular Red Bull.
Regular Red Bull?
Just regular Red Bull. Jesus fucking Christ. Why do you keep slamming the door?
What are you talking about?
I just want a Red Bull. Why do you keep slamming the door?
I'm not. Are you sure you don't want something to eat?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Babe, stop slamming the fucking door.
I'm not. It's fine.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Stop slamming.
Slamming door prank on my boyfriend.
The blue one. What the fuck was that?
Wait, are you sure you don't want Powerade?
Just give me the Gatorade. What the fuck is she doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Slamming the fucking... What the fuck are you doing? You're fucking slamming the whole fucking thing.
Grab.
Sandwich stuff. Just like mayonnaise, bread, turkey, cheese. That's honestly a lot, and some chips, maybe.
Okay, that's all?
That's it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It might take me a while because it's Costco.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Oh my gosh, she's coming back. Okay, thank God.
I forgot my purse. I'm sorry.
Baby.
What? What?
Oh my God. I'm sorry, honey, but that like hurt me on the inside. You just slammed the door so hard. And I like... Oh, I'm sorry, but it's just like... I love you so much, but can you please not do that again?
Yeah,
just
sorry.
be more calm with it in the
Sorry.
future. No, it's okay. I'm not mad. I love you. I just wanted to tell you. Okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. No. I love you.
Hey, I gotta grab my glasses. Do you need anything?
Just give me a water.
Okay. That's all you want is a water?
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Babe, I can't hear you with the door shut.
Just give me a water. Why are you slamming the door?
I didn't mean to, sorry.
Seriously, it's enough. You can't do that. Come on.
You want any snacks?
Get me a packet of Space Raiders.
Right.
And then 35p energy drinks. I've been craving those.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Oh, hell no! Get your ass back in here. Why are you slamming the door like that for?
Like what?
Like that?
I'm just leaving.
Why are you slamming
So what
the door?
was it again? It was...
A packet of Space Raiders.
Right.
And a 35p energy drink.
Right, okay.
Oh, hell no, nigga! Hey! What do you think you're doing?
I'm not
not doing anything. I think you're going a bit crazy.
Okay, you're walking home today. See you later, rat. Smelly. You stink.
You lock the door? Oh my. Just go do it. Slam my door like that again. Christian, what's wrong with your brother? He done lost his mind.
You better fix it. You better check yourself.
I'ma check him. He keep slamming my door like that. Look at him looking like a highlighter from the Matrix. You turn the alarm on? Just go do it. Don't give me all the extra stuff. Okay. I hope he slam it again. Now I hope he slam it when he come back.
I hope he don't.
That's because you don't want to see your brother get hit.
No, I don't.
Stop slamming!
Oh my god, I forgot my card and it's raining. Ugh. I'll be right back.
Typical. Oh, that was kind of aggressive. Did I do everything? I did the dishes. Oh, guys, I left my underwear. Charlie, why didn't you tell me? Jaden? Yeah, you're just a little ball of love. Okay, it's not your guys' fault, but guys, we're on DEFCON level 1. We're on DEFCON level 1. Okay, so we're gonna need Target. We're gonna need Starbucks. We're gonna need flowers. There's a cherry on top. All right, guys, I need you on your best behavior. Charlie, do that little smile you like. Game faces on, boys.
I got it. Hey, did you try to tell me something? Because it looked like you were talking.
Oh,
Talking to
Charlie, little bye-bye.
Oh, little feather and some
Hi, little
conversation.
buddy. Yeah,
I'm ready.
love you.
Love you too.
Let's go.
Hey, Morgan,
Yeah.
can you get my wallet inside?
Yeah.
It should be on the...
Wait, where'd you say it was?
Why are you slamming my door?
Where'd you say your wallet was?
It's on the kitchen table, but don't slam my... Are you... You must slam my hand in the door. Look,
Let me go get your wallet.
you break...
I'm chilling right now. Wait, I forgot my purse.
What was that?
What?
Why are you slamming the door?
I'm not.
Why are you slamming the door?
I'm not slamming
That
the
was
door.
slamming the door.
No, it wasn't. Do you want any food?
Fries, large fry.
Damn, that thing is fat.
I forgot my wallet.
I get it. Don't even close the door. Don't close the door. Don't
Why?
close
What
the door. Come on, babe. Why you gotta slam it so hard?
You said a large fry, right?
Yeah. If you do that one more time. Oh yeah, we fight.
What drink did you say you want?
Coke, please.
Coke.
Why are you slamming the door? You're slamming the door.
Oh.
You slammed the door.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This girl.